Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
Today we are going to treat Murdoch to a super diesel additive, and we're just beginning of June, aren't we?
Certainly
so we're going to run it for a month, which should give us around 1,000 kilometres.
Yes, it's going to give us a nice...
We're in Portugal, and this one removes deposits in the diesel injection system and the combustion chamber to prevent new deposits, maintains all components of the diesel injection system, and as we've just, if you haven't watched it, we've just done the injectors.
Yeah.
So we thought, well, it's a good time to put an additive in. Our injectors are new. We'd like to keep it all nice and clean. Yep. It's not smoking as much as it was.
And before we got it, we don't think it was treated very well, do we? So we think he certainly deserves a nice old interior clean, and this supposedly protects the whole fuel system from corrosion as well, doesn't it?
It does, and also it, apparently according to this, it prevents the seizing up and gumming of the nozzle needles, which is obviously pretty good as far as fuel economy. So we've done 1,000 kilometres in this, and we've meticulously tried to drive it. You drive it as you always drive it. I drive it as I drive it. We do the same trip up here from home all the time.
Yeah, every day.
So we've done our fuel economy. We will put this in and we will cut. You'll come back to us in July. This is 2023.
It certainly is.
And we will have done roughly 1,000 kilometres, and we'll tell you what we think.
Wicked. Murdoch's looking forward to it. Right, so here is the tin. You can see there, super diesel additive. Now this is recommending that this 250ml bottle is sufficient, for 75 litres of fuel, which Murdoch has got. He's full.
And it does say it doesn't use, it'll last up to 2,000.
Yes, which I suppose as it lines all the fuel lines, it can't it?
So I suppose the fuel system being full isn't as important as I would have thought it was, but...
Right, if you wouldn't mind holding that for me. Got a little top to take off.
this bit?
Yes, please. Right, do a little swapsy there.
I've done a pre-shake.
So there you are. You can't see anything in there. It looks like gin.
I doubt what it tastes like.
I doubt it. No, but it's orange.
Nice. It smells. Doesn't smell oily.
It smells almost like wood varnish.
Wood varnish.
Yeah, it smells like wood varnish. So let's get this bottle in there. Nice and easy, as you can see, just screws on the top there, and you just chug it in. There we go, get all the dregs out of that, and it's as simple as that.
And he's ready to roll.
Well, I'm very interested to see.
Okay.
See you soon. Right, so it's been, how long's it actually been?
Can't remember.
It's been about 3 and a bit.
Well, we're the middle of July.
Yeah.
Middle of July, and it's 40 degrees today.
It's boiling.
It's boiling. Anyway, what have we noticed? I said to you, and you said it's in my mind, I think it's smoother.
Yep.
I definitely think it drives, it's not as lumpy.
No, I do tend to agree, it does seem to run quite well.
And again, this isn't scientific.
No.
We're getting 50 kilometres more to a tank full.
Yeah, roughly around that, isn't it?
And
because we do, in this truck, we only go from home to here, and that's what we've done the last month.
So it's uphill here, downhill home. And you could argue that we've driven differently, it's not scientific in any way, but we're suitably impressed. I mean, obviously we've told you what it is, it's there for all to see. Obviously we're in Portugal, so it's not, if you're watching from the UK, it's not in English, but we'll put a link to the Liqui Moly site. We like it. We don't know why we like it, but we do.
But we also love Murdoch, and we also think it's nice to give them a little interior.
Because we've done that. We've put other Liqui Moly products in. If you haven't watched some of the other couple we did, and this for me definitely gave me, personally, I think this felt like we'd done something.
Yes, yeah. We're not sponsored by Liqui Moly, by the way.
No.
We're just saying we're not sponsored by them, but we're doing this for our
But it's very popular in Portugal. So we've tried a fuel additive, we've tried the oil additive and the stop smoke.
Yes.
And we didn't particularly jump up and down. We didn't think they were bad. We just didn't really think we'd got a lot from it. This definitely seems to have given us something. So for whatever it was, 25 euros, I'd give it a shout.
Yes.
So hopefully you found that interesting. If you're thinking of buying it from us, go ahead and do it.